Hello bushwhackers and wild campers. I'm out today doing some hammocking and I'm trying out a new hammock, and it's by Overmont and it's a double hammock, so it's quite a big one. Let's get it set up, eh? There we go, that's that nicely set up. Now this is double layered. Unlike the Unigear one, this actually has two layers. So I've set this up the other way around. It's supposed to be orange side out, but I've set it up black side out, just so that it doesn't stand out as much. But yeah, it is double-sided in that respect. So they do feel stronger. This is what I like about Overmont hammocks. And they don't feel slidey, the fabric doesn't feel all slippery. So what I've also done is, the pocket, if you're going to use the little bag, you've got to flip that inside out if you're going to have access to it. That's if you're turning the hammock inside out. Right, let's have a look at this hammock in the cold light of day. Slept in it all right, quite nice, it's all good. As I said last night, two strong tree straps. I believe they're about 6 foot long each. As you can see, there's still plenty of room and give at both ends. Look at that, loads of length left. Two strong carabiners at both ends, and the same kind of webbing for the tree huggers goes through the end of the hammock. As for the hammock itself, yeah, it's pretty wide, if you can see that. I've put the sleeping bag in just to add some weight and width. Now, as I said, it is double layered, so you've got black and orange there. Other colours are available. And it's largely made up of a large centrepiece with two sides pieces stitched in. And the side pieces are triple stitched. But the main chamber, the thing that takes your weight, is just one piece, which is what you want, because you don't want any seams in that. This works well. This is a good sizable pocket actually. I filled this up with my hat and a couple of torches last night for a bit of bulk, and then I threw that over the, while I was in it, I threw it over and hung that over the other side just to create a bit more of a cocoon, bit of a shelter, and it worked really well. In fact, I actually got a bit too warm and ended up opening it up in the night. Yeah, all in all, really like this. It's well made, it's robust, and Overmont hammocks, gotta say, don't let you down. And of course, one of the great things about hammocks is how easy they are to roll back up and pack away. So all you do is you take the two ends with the carabiners, chuck them into the bag, and then just feed the rest in after it. Straps. Job done. If you like this little field review and test, by all means give the video a like, hit the subscribe button and that bell notification, and then whenever you open up YouTube, you'll get a notification whenever I've uploaded a new video. Yeah, so I hope you like what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.